Namaste. Today we will go through this book. I had purchased this book on whim because it just popped up in my suggested items when I was shopping on Amazon, and I had really no idea what this is all about. What I liked about it was the cover, and that's all that I know about this book. So let's explore this together because even I am not sure what is inside. So this is the back page. No real information. Adult coloring book, geometric patterns, and then two random designs which I'm expecting are probably inside, but no other information. Till now, from what I have seen, maybe these are stock images. So let's see. And I hope I'm not very disappointed because I really went out on a limb and purchased just because I liked something on a cover. Okay, yes, I think these are stock images purely because there's no cover page, no publication date, absolutely nothing. First impression, it is Amazon paper, and I think one-sided. Yeah, it's one-sided, and this design, I think it's quite good. It's very simple. It's not having a lot of finesse to it. It's very amateurish. It's something which I would draw if I have to draw a pattern for myself to color, but it is framed, which I really like. So there is a very clear demarcation till where you are going to color, and it's not like from corner to corner. So that's something which I really like about coloring pages when they are in a frame. Let's do a quick flip through. Since there is no indication on how many pages are there, I don't know, but this thickness is maybe 50 pages, or yeah, I think 50, I'm not sure. i I like these kind of simple patterns. I think this is the cover page. The outlines are quite bold, so if you color with marker it should be fine. It gives you a little room for allowing the marker to spread without spoiling the picture. The quality of the paper, yes, it is Amazon, but when I'm like, I feel it's a bit more rough than usual, so I think this will like drink up all your marker ink very fast. So that's something which you might need to consider. Till now I am quite happy with what I'm seeing. Okay, I think that's it. I think the last page was a bit too busy, but otherwise they are all quite good, printed on Amazon paper. I like this book. It's quite good, and I don't think it was very expensive also. It was surely less than $5. Otherwise I would not have purchased it without knowing what is inside. So I will put a link for this one. I think this is a very good book to have in your collection if you want a very simple, just go to de-stressing kind of book. And if you do wish to purchase it, then please do use the link that I have provided in the description box below. If you have not yet subscribed, then please do so. Thank you for stopping by. Have a nice day. Bye.